Okay, today is the day before 4th of July. Let me show you all our fireworks. These are all our fireworks. We got sparklers. This are Rio aerobics. We did not use these last year. Got a box of snappers. They're empty because I put them somewhere because all my siblings were trying to get to them. We got fresh squeeze orange candle, not candle, but firework. We got these. I love these. I think these are called Roman candles. Yeah, magical romantic, I think, candle. Tin ball. Listen, I don't know. We have a rocket. We have some more Roman candles. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have some fun. We got this. It's gonna make a smiley face. I'm gonna make sure to leave this for last so y'all can see it, because I want to put it in the recording. So I'm gonna show you guys this tomorrow. You're gonna see it. Stay tuned for this. You're gonna see these and this.
Maybe if you weren't in the way, I could
Taking on my sister's hair for 4th of July.
consent before blowing them? So Karen is mad because she's blowing leaves by her car.
Happy 4th of July.
Taco Bell makes their beef.
Y'all, happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July. Say it, Dano. Happy 4th of July.
4th of July. Let me go. This guy is so.
She's scared as a mugmooshy. You scared?
That one's scared.
Woo! 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 Bro, it's lit out here.
Big stuff.
It's lit out here, bro. That's lame. Oh, ho. But she crazy. Oh, she lighting one. Give me scared. What's this?
Right there.
Whoa. Pretty color.
What's up?
But I light it.
Hold your arms up. Hold your both hands. And as soon as I light it, take it up. Pick it up. Both arms, JoJo.
Throw it in the street. He about to light the rocket. Look at the little rocket. Come on, Quan. Y'all back up. He lighting the rocket. What's going on, Uncle Quan? He lighting it. Back up. lighting the one in the ground. I put it down there. Let's hope the grass doesn't burn. Don't. He gotta put it back in the ground. Move, Denim! Wow! That was a rocket! He's lighting up though. He's lighting up everything. Whoa! Whoa, they lighting it up! Me and my cousin lined them up in the ground for him. Now they about to shoot. My cuz. My aunt. My other little cuz. Let's go. Woo! In the trees. Move. Woo! Whoa! You put that one in the ground too hard. Come on. Whoa! It was Kamani! It was Kamani! Ooh, you see all that smoke, girl? Girl, y'all see all that smoke, girl?
So that it stops at every single floor. And she just admit to it. Some people never grow up. Come on, you like 50, 60 years old. Just let's go in elevators. Oh, run around the park. Go beat your pillow in your bed. Like an elevator of all places. This is where I have the most fun. It's just weird. This grown male Karen decided to throw a temper tantrum and decided to destroy the seat in front of him because they're kicking him off the plane for not wearing a mask. Yeah, because they're definitely gonna let you stay after doing your average Spirit flight. Toddler behind me be like, I don't know what they'd be doing. They could be kicking my seat non-stop. I really don't understand people who just like act up in public. Like you're probably gonna go to jail, get humiliated on the internet, or both. Wait till you get home. And have a nice little scream.
TikTok, let's look at this lady who won't get out of this parking spot. She's just standing there when it's illegal to park in a spot. Her son is behind me who wants to park there. Even though this person's leaving right here and he can park right there.
If somebody is leaving, then there's gonna be 2 spots open. So why do you have to go through all the effort of getting out of your car and waiting in the parking spot? Like you can't physically hold a parking spot like that. People actually do that. This happens to me a couple of times in California. This mom said her children to wait in a parking spot. I was like, what are you guys doing? I'll park here anyway.
But this Karen will not move. Say hi to TikTok. TikTok.
She's nuts.
Say hi to Miss Karen. Where are you from, Australia? I'm from here, Florida, baby. I live here. When I take a hike, you're setting real good example for your grandkids.
It's Florida. Where are you gonna hike? The Everglades? Y'all ain't got no mountains out flat land.
Move! Get out of the spot!
Imagine being the other car trying to back out like, hey, I'm literally leaving. Then you'll have 2 spots and you don't have to fight over this one spot. Is the parking situation really that bad? Somebody gonna take 1 spot, let's circle around and find another spot. It's not that hard. This Karen is absolutely nuts. Where's your manager? Can I speak to your manager? I asked her, actually, what is it? Bro, you literally
I got plague.
You're gonna be in real trouble. You're sitting in the car. I need to park here. What do you mean you need to park there? Like there's somebody already parked there. You know, getting out of your car and bodying
No, she got the little thing. That's why I
but
put it
going
right
up to somebody
As
and
long as y'all not out of this job,
Well,
this job like bacon.
you gotta go.
Oh, you're going to school with my kids.
Lonnie.
Have the pressure of my kids.
You're here a lot, and I see you a lot, but you don't live here. What do you mean? If you see him a lot in the neighborhood, he probably lives there. Karen, are you dumb? So, I need to talk to you.
That's not how it works.
You are.